flies off to him. Yep, it's going to be sewn.
Yeah, we'll sew it in. So as you can see in this video, we have a different battery. You've seen a yellow and black battery before. We decided to order a new battery for this setup. Should last a lot longer than that 8 hours on the other battery. I think we got everything now. Bring it in, or we leave the battery outside.
Oh, we're going to bring it in?
Okay.
So, ice fishing finder, fish finder and lights. This is just temporary here for us. So I can measure how many watt hours this is going to pull here. So this will measure it out. Your voltage, how much current you're drawing. Alright, you ready?
Let's hope she powers on. From inside the closed box. I can hear something.
So you can see here, we're drawing 61 watts. So that's the glow plug turning on. I know it's kind of not really nice on the computer screen. Or you can look on the front of this, might be better. This is more accurate, this one though. And this won't calculate watt hours. But anyway, it should go all the way up to just a little bit over 100 watts. And then once the glow plug is good and hot, then the pump should come on. You should hear it click, 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 click. Not drawing. Diesel here.
No, I see.
Why isn't it picking up?
I'm not sure. Is that not in? I see.
It's supposed to self-prime. That's wrong air code mount guaranteed. Yep.
Air code. Okay. Started to prime itself. Took a bit, but it started. You can hear it now.
Still got a lot of gap in here though.
Definitely, you can feel the hot air coming now. It's cold in here still though. I have the door wide open. It's not like super duper hot, but it's definitely a lot warmer than a minute ago. It just started. Hopefully our tent doesn't blow away on us. This is 48 watts. We have heat coming out.
So it's 1 degree Celsius. Let's see what how hot it'll make it in here.
How long it takes?
Yeah. So what is it now? It's 4 o'clock.
While it's heating up in here, we're going to do a little bit of setup, and we're going to try a new cot configuration in here. Hopefully we get to be able to put the 2 cots together with our big mat on top that we bought for backcountry camping this past summer. We're hoping that we will still have room for everything that we typically take if we do that. If not, I don't know. We'll have to find out another sleeping situation that's more comfortable, because last year it was pretty uncomfortable. It's already considerably warmer in here. There, okay. Now we need to see where we want to put them.
This is the door, so it should be going on the back here, but we might put this over here maybe. Your ice fishing holes here. Watch out for your tip outs here. You're gonna have to have your cooking set up here.
In the corner over here.
Yeah.
Let's see. In the air. This side is up. Ugh. Oh look, it might be perfect for this spot.
That's why I measured it already.
Oh. Is this new? We bought this for canoe camping. So it's relatively new. Getting there.
The only thing is there's a lip in the...
What?
There's a lip in the bunk, right?
In the center?
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm concerned with.
That's way better.
Roll over and see what it's like in the middle. Roll over.
I need to roll over.
I want to see what it's like here. There's dirt on here already.
That's from camping. I just need a pillow. This is brilliant.
Oh,
sure our neighbors are wondering why we're doing this.
It's gonna be awesome.
I can hear the car
Warming
doors.
up my toes.
Yes.
This is definitely my spot.
No.
Yeah.
The other side.
Facing west?
No.
Or no, is it facing east?
This is west. This is my side.
I guess it is.
Wait, is it east or west that you're concerned about?
West.
I like
The
to
west?
sleep west. There's good reasons for that. The sun rises in the east, so it's to your back. Well, this is okay. Actually, this is luxury.
This is more than okay. I love this mat.
This isn't a sacrifice at all.
Kaylee's looking at us like we're crazy.
Go lie down on it, Kaylee. Feel how comfortable it
I
is.
don't know if I want to participate in this.
Lay down. It's like sleeping on a big pillow. My friends are gonna see this. We're waiting for part 2. Imagine if he had a pillow and a sleeping bag.
I'm gonna make his spot wet with my hair.
I know you don't care, but he does.
This is more comfortable than my bed. Hello?
Well, I can't really show you guys, but it's 24 degrees in here. So it's right around 55 watts. It's pulling for all of our setup.
Yes, but it's not that cold outside. What's the temp outside?
This is on max. This is the most it'll pull.
Oh.
I got it at high. This is the
Oh,
hottest
so the
that
temperature doesn't matter.
So
Okay.
we got 700 divided by 55, 12 hours. So when we put it down to what it's going to be at. So 5 is max out, so this is halfway now. Max and halfway, it is 18 watts.
18 watts?
38 hours.
Oh, that's way better. If you can keep it at that temperature.
I can already feel it getting colder in here.
Yes.
But this has got the wind will come right up underneath this thing.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be a tick noise. I don't.
We haven't heard any ticking.
I can hear it.
You can?
I can hear it. It's subtle.
Certainly isn't what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a quite loud tick.
Well, according to here online, yeah.
Yeah.
It would really tick me off.
Wouldn't it? Alright. Time to put it all away. Ugh. You okay leaving me leaving the door open now? Right. Holes in and that's it. Welcome back to camp. We managed to drive in and we're going to do a overnight in our ice tent.
It's getting there.
Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. It really helps us grow our channel and we appreciate everyone watching. Have a great week, everyone, and we will see you next Sunday for another adventure.